Well, that didn't last long. Reality TV star Sangoma and DJ Gogo Skhotheni, whose real name is Tumi Motsoeneng, has reportedly called it quits with Amapiano rapper Masterpiece YVK and is now back together with her estranged husband Monde Shange. Yes, after months of dating, the Beywama 2000 hitmaker in what she described as a polygamous relationship. Skhotheni has now reunited with her husband after the couple spent nearly a year apart. And remember, during their separation, Skhotheni even made headlines after revealing that she had funded her own lobola. At the time, she was openly dating Masterpiece YVK and even confirmed that he was also involved with another woman, with all parties aware of the situation. But now it looks like love has brought her back home. Reports say Gogo Skhotheni and Monde are living together again and trying to make things work for the sake of their family and child. When asked about the reunion by curious supporters, Skhotheni simply responded, "Is it not obvious? Is this a fresh start or just another chapter in their roller coaster romance?" Mzansi is watching closely.